I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Just got out of the shower and it's 4th of July and we just raised the flag on Grandpa's lawn. And the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. This is a special place to me to be in my grandma's bathroom and just fun memories. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair because it's so stinking hot. Maybe if I feel up to it or MJ still sleeps, I'll do it, but here, I don't know. I'm still really tired. Maybe I should go lay down. Maybe that's really what I should do. Oh, but it's a great day and happy 4th of July. I can't believe that this is MJ's first 4th of July. Not that he cares at all. It's just fun to document it so that we can remember it.
Look at your mom.
Hi! Woo! Yay!
Okay. Stand up there.
Hi! Yay! Good boy!
Wow! He likes that, doesn't he?
Look at him.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Is that bad?
The star of the show.
He's so sweet.
Kyle's spinning him around. He's gonna get so sick. We used to do this all the stinking time. There's so many memories at Grandpa's house. It's so fun. Go, Colton, go. One more. He's already done it twice. He's so gonna fall. Oh my gosh, I'm sick watching. This is a swing hanging from a tree that Grandpa made. Not the tree, I mean he planted the tree, but he made the swing. Guess what we're gonna do? For the first time we're gonna just go down the slip and slide maybe once, huh? That'll be so fun. Cuz he'll have on his little onesie. Woo!
Marcy for the sunscreen. I did it on my scarf. That's cool.
We also had a pie baking contest earlier, and the winners I think were announced during the pie contest or during the auction and all. So we are glad to be a part of it.
What's on your pants, Colt?
Look at the ice.
Turn around, let me see. He sat in gum at the talent show.
Gum? Oh my word.
Dallin!
Gum off my pants.
Dallin, why did you put your gum in the grass?
I put my gum in the trash can.
So it's not your gum?
It's not my gum.
We're all waiting to get in.
Whose is it?
Dallon's gum. Peel that shit off. That's not my gum. Peel it off. Just peel it off.
I seriously did not get a picture of MJ in his 4th of July outfit. And he's not in it right now. He's unclothed because we just went to my cousin's talent show. They both won. Both of my cousins sang and they both won. They both won $100 each. It was really cool. I just cannot believe that I didn't get a picture of him in his 4th of July outfit. Huh? What was Mom thinking? I can't believe I forgot. And your first 4th of July. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I wasn't. That's the problem. I'll put it on tomorrow and take a picture. So now we're taking a little break. We went to the talent show. I'm taking a break before the fireworks. And look at how many shoes are at my aunt's store. Look at this. Whoa. Got people hanging in here, watching the concert at DC, which we were gonna go to, but I'm not there. Woohoo! You gonna get him? Is that a baby? Is he little? Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. What'd you just watch?
We watched fireworks.
Where's your dancing?
I can't.
Come on. There's your face. There you are. Hi. Hi. He's so tired. He is a tired boy. Huh? Should we go put you back to bed? Yeah. Let's go put you back to bed.